Hi everyone, it's Ashton from Promevo TV. Today we'll be replacing the keyboard on the Asus C202. Just as a heads up, in order to make repairing this device easy and to avoid voiding your warranty, you must be certified in the Asus ASP Self-Maintainer program. For this repair process, you'll need a screwdriver and a pry tool. After prying open the keyboard, remove the keyboard ribbon and the trackpad ribbon. Once the keyboard ribbon and the trackpad ribbon have been removed, you can remove the keyboard. Now that the defective keyboard has been removed, you can replace it with your working keyboard. Reattach the keyboard ribbon and the trackpad ribbon. Once it has been connected, carefully replace the keyboard. Next, you'll snap in the keyboard cover. Screw the 10 screws back into the Asus Chromebook and replace the 2 rubber screw caps. Now you can power your device back on. Congratulations on your newly repaired device. For questions, please reach out to support@promevo.com or see the description below. Get all of your Chrome and Chromebook needs at shop.promevo.com today. Thanks for watching today. If you'd like to see more repair videos on the Asus C202, click any of the links above. And if you'd like to see more videos from Promevo, be sure to subscribe.